The word money is called different names in English depending on the situation. In this video, you will learn 42 different names given to money in 42 different situations. Okay, I'm sure there are some names you haven't heard before, especially number 41 in this lesson. Money after divorce. What do we call it? After divorce, there's a name we call the money that is being paid. It is called alimony. Have you heard it before? 2. Money you earn. The money you earn after working, we call it pay. It is your pay. You can say, I received my pay yesterday. It means you received the money you earned yesterday. Okay? 3. Money earned overall. What do we call the total money that someone earns over a period of time? We call it earnings. Your total or overall money is called your earnings. 4. Money for extra work. When someone works extra, what do we call the money? It is called overtime pay. 5. Money to keep someone silent. It is called hush money. If someone is paid hush money, he or she is meant to keep silent, especially when secret is involved. 6. Money for catching a criminal. Do you know this one? What do we call the money? It is called bounty. 7. Money paid by the groom. What do we call it? This is very common. It is called bride price. Bride price. 8. Money for freedom. What do we call the money for freedom? It is called ransom. Next, money awarded by a court. There's a name we call the money. Do you know? It is called damages. The court pays damages to a victim. Next, money for marriage. What do we call it? This is very common. It is called dowry. Next, money for education. This is also very common. I'm sure everybody knows this. Scholarship. Next, money from the government. What do we call it? The money that government gives to the people is called grant. When it comes from the government, it is a grant. Money for the government. What do we call the one you pay to the government? It is called tax. The one you pay to the government is tax. Okay? 14. Money for charity. What do we call it? It is called donation. Money for worship. The money that people pay in a worship center is called offering. Money for the church. The 10% that Christians pay in the church is called tithe. 17. Money for good service. When you render good service, you are being given a tip, or we can say a token for your good service. Money for transport. It is called fare. Transport fare. 19. Money for a service. It is called charge, or we can say fee. You pay service charge or service fee. 20. Money for staying in a house, rent. 21. Money you borrow. What do we call the money you borrow from someone, from company, or anywhere? The name is called loan. It is called a loan. Next, money for a home loan. What do we call this one? Do you know? It is called mortgage. Next, money paid for a loan. When you borrow money, you are meant to pay a certain percentage as interest. So we call the money interest. Money paid beforehand. Beforehand is before the actual time. So you pay a part of the money before something is done, and that money is called deposit. You can also call it advance. Next, when you pay for something and the money is returned to you, what do we call such money? It is called refund. Next, money for breaking the law. This is very common. It is called fine. You pay a fine when you break the law. 27, money you owe. What do we call this one? When you owe money, it is a debt. Note that this B is silent. We don't say debt, we say debt. Next, money to start a business. What do we call the initial money that you use to start a business? It is called capital. Next, money earned monthly. Monthly basis, salary. You are paid salary on monthly basis, while the money you earn hourly or daily is called wages. Next, apart from your salary or your wages, any extra money you are being paid is called bonus. This can be paid by your company or by whoever you are working for, okay? Next, what do we call the money you get after selling? It is called commission. You are being given commission as your pay for selling products. Next, money from company profits. What do we call it? Do you know? It is called dividend. Next, money from books or music. Musicians and authors of books earn money from their work, and that money is called royalties. They are paid royalties. Next, money after retirement is called pension. Money after job loss. Do you know this one? When a person loses his or her job, the money he is being paid is called severance pay. Severance pay. It is paid when a person's job is terminated. Okay? 37, money for loss or injury. When a person loses something or sustains injury, the money he or she is being paid is called compensation. Next, money for winning. When you win something, the money that you are being given, we call it prize. When you find something and you are to be paid for it, the name of the money is called reward. You are being rewarded for being able to find something. Next, money for a child. When you give children money, what do we call it? It is allowance, or we can call it pocket money. Okay? Next, money sent home. When you travel to another country, for instance, and you are working and sending money back home, that money, we call it remittance. This is the name we call the money you send home. Last one, money paid illegally. What do we call such money paid in an illegal way? I want you to answer this one in the comment section. Also type yes in the comment section if you actually learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next class.